My name is Tara, and I'm the Top Music Marketplace Manager. And like you, I'm also a piano teacher, and I teach flute and guitar, and I do like all the things. And I'm here to help you thrive in your business. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 different topics. We're going to learn about what SEO actually is. We're going to learn how to do better with SEO because a lot of people get terrified when they hear those 3 little letters. And we're going to figure out how to optimize your listings so you're found in the Google search. So let's get to it. Now, if you found this video and you're not a Top Music Marketplace seller, but you make teaching resources for your music studio, why don't you sign up as a seller today? That way you can start making some passive income tomorrow. And all these tips in this video will help you start your own store. It's another day, but I'm here to teach you about SEO. So what is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization, which basically means you're checking all these little boxes in your listings to help search engines see your listing and show it to other people. So if you're not optimizing your products, you're not showing up in the search engines. I mean, whoever clicks the second page of Google, not me. So what do we need to do with our products and our product listings to make them optimized so Google will show potential customers our products? Let's find out. So SEO runs off of keywords. And now you may be wondering, well, what are keywords? In the simplest form, keywords are the words that you type into a search bar to find what you're looking for. So let's figure out how to do that. So when it comes to your products, you need to figure out the keywords that people will actually search for. So if you know me, I've got some weird games that I've created. And one of my top sellers is my chicken game. But I can't just type in a keyword of chicken, because if you actually went to the Google and typed in chicken game, more than likely you're not going to find what you're looking for. Now, when I'm optimizing my squawking chicken game, what I need to do is I need to have the keywords rhythm game, because that is the word that teachers are looking for. They're not looking for squawking chicken, they're looking for rhythm games. And this game so happens to have a squawking chicken. The next thing on your list, you want to use long tail keywords, which just means you're specifying the product a little bit more. So instead of just saying rhythm game, now I'm saying beginning piano rhythm game. And that will narrow down the search for customers who are just looking for piano games for beginners that are rhythm games. So when you're thinking about keywords for your product, you need to figure out what keywords to use on your product, and then what long tail keywords that will help differentiate your product from the other ones that are already out there. Now, once you figure out what your keywords are going to be, now you have to find where to put those keywords to help optimize your listing even more. So the first place to put your keyword is in your title. So instead of putting squawking chicken, my title says squawking chicken rhythm game. And then I put the different levels, because I do have different levels of the squawking chicken game. The next place to put the keyword is in the snippet, which means the first paragraph of your listing. Now in your snippet, make sure to put other keywords that you would like to use. So instead of just rhythm game, I want to put beginning rhythm game for piano students, and then maybe put the level. So most of my games are with Piano Pronto because that's the series I use. So I used a lot of the rhythms that the kids will find in their songs. So I may even put that in there, inspired by Piano Pronto. Now, a couple other places to put your keywords would be in your alt descriptions, which means you can describe your photos that you're putting in your product listing. So definitely do that. And then also in your meta description. So that's the little box of text that shows up on Google. A couple more tips about SEO. When you're listing your product, make sure to tag your product with the correct tags. So if you're looking for beginner games, make sure to select beginner. That way it shows up in the beginner section on Top Music Marketplace. if your game is a rhythm, make sure to tap the rhythm tag. Okay, tagging is so important. That's how you get shown up in the different categories. The second tip is to not keyword stuff your listing, which means putting the same keywords in every single sentence. Because yes, we are writing for Google, but we're also writing for the human on the other side of this computer. And none of us want to read rhythm game for beginning piano students. Piano students' beginning game is great. So make sure you write like you're writing to another human, but add in those keywords throughout your listing. Tip 3, figure out synonyms. So instead of just putting rhythm game, maybe you put in rhythm activity. And the last tip for today, don't use irrelevant keywords. So if you are doing rhythm games, don't talk about note naming in your listing. To recap, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And the way we can optimize our product listings are through our keywords, which you'll want to put in your title and your descriptions, your alt text, and your meta descriptions. And make sure to tag the categories that your product is in. Now remember, if you need help with product descriptions, you can check the link below because I have a PDF that has 5 different product descriptions that will help you with search engine optimization. Now, if you guys ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to us because we are here to help you and your business thrive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then please make sure you click to subscribe. And if you're a music teacher looking for help with any aspect of your teaching studio or business, then make sure you check out topmusicpro.com for all our membership details.